What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Bliga, and welcome to the vlog. If you're new to this video, if you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe, and if you're a return subscriber, please like this video, and yeah, and thank you for returning. But yeah, on today's vlog, I just wanna explain it to you or break it down to you guys, how much in terms of the building a village house project, how much is the cost so far which has been spent on the project. So I'm just gonna break it down to you while showing you the prices from the foundation to the roof, showing you the prices, showing you the material maybe used, and give you some clips of the house project. But yeah, in today's video I just want to showcase to you the house project breakdown so far in terms of the cost. So yeah, I just want to explain it to you guys. If you have anything, maybe I don't think I missed I did this video before, but it was before the roof and the roof slab, so I think it was just up to the first floor wall panel. I think that's where yeah, I'll just have to confirm and check, but I think that was the last video I did for the cost spent so far. But yeah, if you haven't seen that video, please go to my channel and search for the cost spent so far on the building a village house. Yeah, so that's what has been done, and I'm just gonna show you to case to up to till date. But this cost will be excluding the lapa cost. It's only gonna include the house, only the house project. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. If you have anything to mention, yeah, please mention it down on the comment down below. And yeah, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm just want to close this vlog. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you managed to figure out how, maybe if you want to start to build, you manage to maybe calculate what kind of material cost, the bricks from the foundation to the, if you're doing a double story, from the slab, and yeah, and also the roof as well. So if you're planning to build, I hope this video helped you a lot. And if you feel like I spend a lot, please comment down below. If you feel like I spend less, please also comment down below. Let me know like where I saved and where I spend a lot. Just let me know. Let's talk on the comment down below, guys.